Hi friends, welcome to my channel. To get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group. The link I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification in one of the state government autonomous university. So here, whoever the candidates made the eligibility criteria, they can directly go for the interview. There is no written test and all. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Alia University, Kolkata. So notification for admission to the PhD programs 2020-21. The notification released on 23rd December 2020. And here you can check down that online applications are invited in prescribed format from the eligible candidates for admission to the PhD programs in various departments of the following subjects. So, and here the subjects are Arabic, Bengali, English, Urdu, Islamic theology, history, law, education, journalism and mass communication, geography, economics, physics, chemistry, mathematics and statistics, biological sciences, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, mechanical, management and business administration. So total these are the different subjects, guys, and the candidates who belongs to these subjects with these eligibility criteria that we are going to see right now, you can directly attend for the interview. And the eligibility criteria is qualified in any one of the examination, that is NET, GATE, SET, SLET, UGC, JRF, CSIR, JRF, DBT, JRF, Inspire Fellowship or Teacher Fellowship or equivalent examinations, or MPhil for all the subjects except Islamic theology. So for the subject Islamic theology, there is a written test and then one interview will be there. But except this subject, for all the remaining subjects, okay, who are having the post graduation with these any one of this qualification, then you may attend for the interview. And the candidates for admission to the PhD program shall have the master's degree or the professional degree declared equivalent to the master's degree by the corresponding statutory regulatory body with at least 55% of marks in aggregate, 6.25 and 10 point scale. Okay, and the relaxation of 5% of marks is available based upon the caste category, okay, that you can check down. And coming to the selection procedure, the university will admit applicants in PhD program only by one stage process, except Islamic theology. For all the remaining subjects, one stage process means direct interview. All eligible candidates must appear for an interview before a panel comprising departmental research committee members and others. The applicants are required to discuss their research interest area as per the field of specialization, research areas available in the concerned department. Coming to the Islamic theology, the two-stage process is there. One is a written test and then followed by an interview will be there. So in the written test, it is EURET. So written test will be conducted for eligible candidates fulfilling the criteria 2B and 2C. Okay, so shall be qualified in nature of, qualifying in nature of appearing in interview with qualifying marks of 50%. And the syllabus for written test is multiple choice questions will be there, consist of research methodology as per the NET or SET syllabus and the concerned subject. Okay, and you can check down here the number of vacancies as per the departmental wise. Okay, so here the total nearly 154 PhD vacancies are there from all the departments. So it is a very good opportunity, guys. Okay, so if you are having the above mentioned qualification, then you can directly attend for the interview. And the application procedure is login into the Alia University website. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Okay, and click on this link, then you will be directed to this PDF. and then click on this link, then you can apply online. Okay, last date for online application is 15th January 2021 till 5 p.m. So these are the instructions, guys. And coming to the application fee for each program is 500 rupees, and the candidate should pay application fee through online payment mode only, using the credit card, debit card or net banking. Coming to the submission of application form, the hard copy of application form generated or downloaded at the time of online application must be submitted to the Office of Coordinator, University Research Program, 2nd floor, Alia University, Kolkata, by 20th January 2021. That means you have to send the hard copy also, and hard copy of all documents should be submitted in sealed envelope superscribing the name of the department applied for, and submission of hard copy of application form along with all supporting documents is mandatory. Okay, and what are the documents you have to attach with the hard copy of the application is that self-attested copies of all the testimonials in support of age and qualifications, self-attested copy of the NET or SET or SLET or GATE certificate and the experience certificate. And if the candidate is employed, okay, and willing to apply for a part-time PhD, then they have to submit the no objection certificate. And if the candidate has a MPhil degree, full-time regular 2-year course from any UGC recognized, then the candidate must submit a certificate from the competent authority and printout of online payment receipt copy. Okay, and the list of the shortlisted candidates and schedule of written test or interview will be notified in the university website. Okay, and here the few additional information is also given here. The duration of the PhD program for both part-time and full-time is minimum 3 years and maximum of the 6 years. And there is no fellowship. Okay, part-time PhD, those who are in permanent employment may apply for the part-time PhD. Okay, so these are the instructions, guys. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may go through for this one to get the accurate and the in detail notification. Fine. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I'm going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.